Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna continue working on 2019 Chevy Silverado 3500. So what I'm gonna be doing today. Today's plan is to start preparing parts for a painting. Michael is gonna be helping me out today. His task is gonna be for this episode is to completely prepare 2 doors, 2 fenders, and the hood, under hood. I wanna paint them. Oh, sorry, it's gonna be really windy, super windy today. So where I left. So he's gonna be preparing all those parts so I can paint them and be ready to install on the cab. So that way the cab is gonna be prepared and be ready to install on the frame. But while he's gonna be preparing all those parts for me to paint later on, I'm gonna be working on this cab alone, and there's some work needs to be done on it that I'm gonna be showing you guys in the next episode. Today's episode is gonna be mainly focused on painting gems inside of the fenders and under the fenders, same thing with the hood. So let's get this episode rolling. Let's get those parts here, over there, put them there. I need to disassemble both those doors and the process can be started. Here's the door, so needs to be disassembled in order to paint the gems. So glass, all the rubbers, plastics needs to go. This can go inside, it doesn't really matter, I don't need to pull it out. This can go out so I don't paint the bolts and prepare for painting. Michael, as usual, big helper with that. He don't like that, this kind of job, but he helps. So we're gonna take it off apart, prepare for paints. We'll scuff it up. He's actually gonna scuff it up and then I'll paint it. Also, I need to pull out this door right here and do the same exact thing, but let's focus on this one one at a time. Let's do this one first and then we'll deal with the other one. That's it, he's done with the first door. It's completely prepared. That's where all the parts gonna be. I don't wanna put them somewhere else. They're gonna be here right now. Then I'll use a Ziploc and put everything tight so I know that's from this door. So now let's go over here, let's move this frame out of the way. Let's get over here and let's get that door off. Also needs to be disassembled and prepared for painting. So man, Michael did a pretty good job, pretty fast. So another door is ready to be painted, repainted, so its silver will be white. But hey, we still have plenty of light left. Let's give him another task. This is a brand new fender over here, so he can sculpt that fender completely. I believe that one he prepared it. I did some side job and I had 3 fenders, so I think that one was prepared previously, but I'm not sure. We'll have to check. But this one, and also the hood is over there, somewhere over there. We'll have to bring it. So let's get this fender out of here, and he's gonna be preparing it while I'm gonna be working on different tasks. So let's just continue. Man, Michael did pretty good job preparing these parts. All the parts he prepared here, ready to paint. The hinges, I'm gonna hang the hinges over there next to the door and gonna paint them. I just need to find some wire. I don't remember where I put it, but man, this saved up me tons of time because he helped me out. So he has prepared this fender, that fender, this door, and this hood with the hinges. And that time I didn't spend sanding. I was working on the Jetta and all these parts ready. All I have to do is just apply a sealer, base, clear, and ready to go. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. But before I'll do that, all of this needs to be waxed and greased pretty good, because I mean, this part's been sitting around for a couple weeks. This fender been sitting around for over a couple months. I did a side job. I had 3 or 4 fenders and Michael prepared the wrong one. This is actually was the one for the driver's side, but I was needed passenger side. So this was prepared a couple months ago. I would say even 3 months ago, but those parts been prepared a couple weeks. So of course, waxing, greasing, and mixing and applying. So let's get to it. Sealer is premix. This is a 1:1:1 ratio, direct to metal, and North Star EP 210 W white epoxy primer. This is hardener for it. So 1:1:1. One part of this, one part of this, and one part of the reducer. So it came out 12, what is it, 600 millimeters, almost 21 ounce. It is 21 ounce. Should be plenty enough for all of this. And as you can see, I prepared my water over here. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the floor down because this door is too close to the floor, and when you're gonna be painting, spraying like this, it will pick up some dirt underneath it. Same thing over here. These tires I won't cover. This is the BMW tires. They're gone, they're junk, they're no good. So with all of this information, let's wet the floor and let's start applying first coats of a sealer. Clear coat pre-mixed. I already went ahead and wet the floor again. The base coat is dry and I'm ready to apply a clear coat. Man, everything coming along pretty nice. I love it. I love it how everything goes, especially working in a clean garage. It makes a big difference. Let's do this right quick and be over with the painting. Yes, all parts sparkly, beautiful, looks really nice. Yes, floor is really dirty, but hey, it's part of the deal. Oh man, I love how everything came out really nice. And also, I'm pretty sure lots of you have a question, hey, why didn't you mask it and paint it like this? Because I'm gonna be using original, so all of this I don't care, all of this I don't need it. Anything I buy, it's gonna come with it, or I will pull it out from other vehicle that I'm using, you know. It's just extra work that I don't want to do because I'm gonna throw this away anyway. The hood looks beautiful, can be reassembled and put together, right? But I need to paint it outside first. Same thing with the fender, hinges. I mean, everything looks perfect. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, that's it. We did this. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button so algorithm helps to the channel to grow. Leave your thoughts down below. I wanna see what you think about process so far, how everything goes, how everything coming along. And if you wanna see inside scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on that Instagram over here at Salvagemasterv to be updated before YouTube to know what's going on. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.